In this video, I'm going to show a simple variation of a pretty popular exercise, a single leg Romanian deadlift. I'm not going to demonstrate really how to do the lift. I'm just going to assume that you know how to do it. The only thing I'm going to do differently though is when I'm holding the weight in my right hand, so I'm doing my left leg is doing the work. With my left hand, as I inhale, actually I'm starting from the bottom. Most people will start from the top, go down, and come back up. I'm actually going to start from the bottom like a traditional deadlift. But I'm going to inhale at the bottom, and as I inhale, I'm going to lower my left hand towards my foot. Actually, so if I'm horizontal, you'll see it go backwards, right? So as I inhale, my left hand comes down, and then I exhale as I come up. Why am I doing that? On the left side, remember on the left side, if you've seen these videos, in postural restoration, we talk about the left ZOA, the left zone of apposition. That requires, to keep that position, the left ZOA, to keep your spine neutral and your pelvis neutral, you need that ZOA during dynamic tasks. It's very easy to lose a ZOA and have the left side come apart while doing any type of exercise and in daily life. So by inhaling at the bottom and moving my hand down, I'm bringing my left ribs and my left pelvis closer together. As I exhale, as I'm coming up, I'm driving the ribs down further to maintain that ZOA as I'm doing the lift. Otherwise, it's very easy to lift and have the ribs come up, lower back arch, pelvis rotate too far forward. Actually, in this case, the pelvis probably wouldn't rotate too far forward. But it's very easy to lose position of the rib cage and arch your lower back as you're coming up. So by inhaling in the bottom position and moving my hand towards my foot, I'm bringing my ribs and my pelvis closer together. As I exhale and come up, I'm maintaining that position instead of losing it through exhalation, because remember, exhalation drives the ribs down anyway. So exhalation, I'm using exhalation to keep those ribs down. Now when I switch hands, when I hold the weight in my left hand and my right leg is doing the work, my right arm will be placed in front of me. And all I'm doing here is inhaling at the bottom and reaching slightly, and what that does is it opens up the right side and again closes down the left side. And then as I exhale, as I come up, I'm just going to exhale normally and hold that left side down. So again, right side, I'm inhaling and reaching slightly, and as I come up, I'm exhaling, and that'll hold that ZOA. And when you do this, it's going to keep your back in a better position. It's going to keep you out of overextended position, and you might feel your muscles activating differently. Just make sure you keep sense of heels when you're doing this, well, especially on the left side, you want to maintain that sensory awareness of the left heel. On the right side, you still want heel, but you also want to think about the arch. You don't want to let your weight fall too far to the outside, which is very normal in the left AIC, right BC pattern, because our weight gets shifted over to the right, so our weight stays over to the right. So I'm going to cut the video, and then I'm going to actually demonstrate the exercise after that.